and he becomes the Prime Minister, and this Prime Minister decides the Ministry of Affairs, that who will work in what department, who will take care of the ministries, departments, and they who will help him to making the laws in that sector, and these people are called the government. Not the majority whole party, who the cabinet minister and the prime minister make a team of executive, they are called the government. The Prime Minister of India is the leader of the ruling party, okay, and he takes the implements the decision with the help of his ministers and cabinet ministers, okay. So the second function is to have the Prime Minister and government, the cabinet minister or executives. This is the second important function of the parliament, okay, to select while selecting the government, okay. Now often in the recent past, it has been difficult for a single political party to get the majority that is required to form the government, and they then join together with different parties who are interested in similar concern to form what is known as coalition government. अब किसी पार्टी को 272 वोट्स नहीं मिले तो क्या होगा? सपोज अगर 10 वोट्स कम पड़ गए तो दूसरी कोई पार्टी जो 10 वोट्स से उसे सपोर्ट कर सकती है, दे कम टुगेदर एंड मेक ए गवर्नमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल इन महाराष्ट्र. नाउ इन महाराष्ट्र शिवसेना is in the power, but it is a coalition government. It has been given support by the NCP and by Congress, right? So they too are given representation in the government by the Shiv Sena leader, and Shiv Sena this party came into rule. So there nobody has clear majority, and due to that 2-3 parties can come together and make the majority to form the government. The Rajya Sabha functions primarily as the representative of the state of India in the parliament, okay. So Rajya Sabha kahan pe hai? That is also the primary representative. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation, and a bill is required to pass through, and the bill which is required goes in the Rajya Sabha also for discussion. It's not the Lok Sabha taking all the decision. Has an important role of reviewing and altering, taking alternative decisions, okay. The law initiated by the Lok Sabha, okay. So if there are initiatives, the government, the court says so, otherwise it is implemented as a law. The number of Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the legislature assembly of various states. There are 233 elected members plus 12 members nominated by the president. अब 233 members जो होते हैं, they are in the Rajya Sabha. 545 members are there in the Lok Sabha. Out of them 2 are Anglo-Indian. They are directly, not with election, they are directly selected by the president. Now here in Rajya Sabha 233 members are elected on the votings of the state governments MLAs. They vote for, okay. It's not the common people vote for Rajya Sabha's member. So this legislature assembly, Vidhan Sabha, Rajya Sabha के जो लोग होते हैं, they work for that, okay. And 12 members there at Rajya Sabha are nominated by the president of our country, okay, to control and guide and inform the government. Now the next important point is to control, guide and inform the government. The parliament while in session begins the question hour. The question hour is an important mechanism through which, that is a process of discussion. Opposition में जो होते हैं वो सवाल उठाते हैं, रूल में जो होते हैं वो उसको आंसर करते हैं. This is very important way through which the parliament controls the executives, और इसके जरिए ही parliament elected non-majority members, they come and sit together and they make the questions to whom? To the government, the Prime Minister of India and other executives, okay. So by asking questions to the government is alarm of the people through their representatives in the parliament, okay, that is the MPs. asking questions of the government is crucial task for everyone. MP, the opposition parties play a ethical role in healthy functioning of a of a democracy. So MPs जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, they took a critical work and make it healthy for the democracy. ओके, सो अपोजिशन में बैठने वाले लोग क्या करते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे सवाल उठा के गवर्नमेंट को ऑब्जेक्ट करते हैं. एंड दे हाईलाइट द ड्रॉबैक इन वेरियस पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड मोबिलाइज पॉपुलर सपोर्ट फॉर देयर ओन पॉलिसीज. सो ऐसे इस तरह से लोग पार्लियामेंट में हिस्सा ले जाते हैं. नाउ द गवर्नमेंट गेट्स वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक एंड इज केप्ट ऑन its toes by the questions asked by MPs. In addition, in all matters dealing with finance, the parliament's approval is crucial. Now finance में जो होता है वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट एक्ट होता है जो लोकसभा में ही आता है. राज्यसभा उसको हाँ कहे ना कहे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज लोकसभा में डायरेक्ट इलेक्टेड मेंबर है पीपल. ओके, और राज्यसभा में रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम दी असेंबली, स्टेट असेंबली. अब स्टेट असेंबली के वो अगर इकोनॉमिकल बिल अगर राज्यसभा में लेके आए तो स्टेट असेंबली, स्टेट में जो गवर्नमेंट काम कर रही होगी वो अपने MPs को कहेंगी डोंट वोट फॉर दैट, डोंट लेट इट पास. दैट इज़ वाई दी एक्चुअल करेंसी बिल्स और acts are directly passed from the Lok Sabha and goes to the president for signature. Okay, law making. What is law making? Who are the people in parliament? कौन है? They are the representative of the people, society. And there has also been an increase in political participation from the Dalits and backward classes. So ये इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, दलित और बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के भी जो लोग हैं, ग्रुप्स एंड पीपल्स, दोज वेर unrepresented by belonging, so they are not representative. There has also been an increase in political participation from the Dalits and backward classes. Let us know the following table. Now see here the table is given, election year and voter amount is given. What was the voter amount? And 61% to 66%, 2014 it went on 66%. People were eager to vote for. So it has been observed that representative democracy cannot produce a perfect reflection of story. There is a realization that when interest and experience separate us, it is important to ensure that communication that have been historically marginalized are also adequate representation with this in mind. So we must keep in mind that we are not only ensuring the power of the farmers and we are not ensuring the power of the realization, okay, and web. So in that way he has told, it has been told here. Now with this mind, some seats are reserved in parliament for SC and ST. This has been done to that of MPs elected from these constituencies will be familiar with and can represent Dalit and Adivasi interest in parliament. So the Dalit and Adivasi, if they have their own representatives in the parliament, so what will happen, their interest will be safeguarded. आई बात समझ में. सो इसमें क्या है, अब कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं देखते हैं. चलो देखो, टू सिलेक्ट द नेशनल गवर्नमेंट, हाउ द नेशनल गवर्नमेंट इज सिलेक्टेड. 545 members are there, 2 are Anglo-Indian, remaining 543 goes in the election. The majority of the people, majority of the elected members of some party sets the government. The remaining come together and from the opposition. right? So framing the having the elections, elected members, having the opposition, right, and third having the government, the executives, the executive members, they frame the government. So in this way, these are the three things that happens. Now to control, guide and inform the government, how the control, guide and inform the government is done. See, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, these are two different halls, okay, these are two different parts. Lok Sabha has the direct elected member of the people, and Rajya Sabha members are elected by the legislative representatives of the people. सो हमने जिनको एमएलए बनाया है वो एमपी चूज़ करते हैं और वो राज्यसभा में बैठते हैं, और जिनको हमने एमएलए बनाया है, ऐसा हमने एमपी किया है, डायरेक्टली इलेक्ट किया, वो कहाँ बैठते हैं? इन द लोकसभा. सो लोकसभा हैज़ मोर राइट्स दैन राज्यसभा, लोकसभा हैज़ मोर राइट्स दैन राज्यसभा. जैसे कि इकोनॉमी बिल रिलेटेड विद इकोनॉमी डज नॉट नीड टू बी वेटेड फॉर द राज्यसभा कंसेंट, उसको राज्यसभा की कंसेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि ये जिन्होंने ये राइट बनाया होगा वो कौन है? उनको लोगों ने इलेक्ट करके दिया है, सो उनका राइट ज़्यादा होता है. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स अंडरस्टूड बाय दिस पॉइंट. नाउ let us conclude the lesson. Okay, let us conclude the lesson. Third was, who are the people in the parliament? They are the people elected by the members, how they are elected and all that you have to write. Okay, it is issue of this kind that force the country to ask certain difficult and often unsolved questions about whether our democratic system is representative enough. Okay, the fact that means, are the representation done clearly? See page number 39. लोकसभा, फर्स्ट लोकसभा इलेक्शन 1951-52 में हुए. सो कितने लोग वोटर्स, अमाउंट कितना था टोटल? इसका 61.16% लोगों ने वोट किया 1951. अभी उससे ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, 2014 में ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, लोक संख्या भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो वोटर्स भी बढ़ने चाहिए थे, पर वोटर्स हो गए कम. ओके, सो बीच में वोटर्स हो गए कब? जैसे कि 1991 55% थे, 2004 57% थे, 2009 58% हो गए, अभी 2014 में 66% पीपल वोटेड टू चूज देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, है ना. सो इसलिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द इलेक्शंस, एटलीस्ट फॉर वोटिंग. सो the fact that we can ask these questions and are working towards answer is reflection of the strength and the faith that people in India have democratic formed of government. So ये कैसे इंश्योर हो जाता है कि इलेक्शंस होते रहेंगे? that we know that we are a democratic country और हमें अभी किसी का राज नहीं चाहिए. so elections will go on, elections चलते रहते हैं. now there's a glossary: approval, coalition and unsolved. okay, approval to grant someone, coalition 2-3 people come in corporation to for with one aim. okay, unresolved, so unresolved the situations, those are permanently took place, those are not unresolved now. अच्छा, पीछे ले सकते हैं, टाइम में पीछे जाके ये मत लो, नहीं ले सकते. so this is the lesson number 3, 8th standard, that we have studied, that why do we need a parliament. Okay, dear students, good day. Solve the exercise of this lesson. Okay, good day.